Hello Internet, in this video I will talk about 3 ways to break down a pallet so that you can repurpose it for other projects. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Whether it's working on a car, a daily driver or a project car, or a project around the yard or a home improvement project, all of my do-it-yourself projects begin here in my garage. Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers. Welcome to my channel. Okay, the first method is the circular saw method, where basically you take a circular saw and you cut out the portions of the wood that have no nails in them, and then for the remainder you use a hammer and a pry bar and a workbench to pound out the nails. Here's a project I did a while back. Second method is what I call the Sawzall Method. So here's a nice rigid cordless Sawzall. It's by far the most efficient, the most practical way to break down a pallet. Simply use this Sawzall to cut as many of the nails off as you can. You will need a crowbar as well, but you will repurpose most, if not all, of the wood. The third way to break down a pallet is I call the rock and roll method, and it won't work on a pallet like this. This is too new, the nails are too tight. But if you have a really old pallet, sometimes you can simply put weight on it, shift the weight, rock it back and forth, and you'll start to loosen up the nails. Just keep doing that, and the nails will loosen up. And then you can take a pry bar and get the rest. What really works well are the large pallets from Home Depot. Those don't even have to be old, but Home Depot uses the pallets that are 48 inches by 96 inches. Here's a picture of one. And Lowe's would and Home Depot would just give these away for the asking. But you can easily, because they are so large and there's quite a bit of torque, that you start moving those from side to side, and they very easily loosen up. Out of my truck, I have a pallet that I broke down quite easily using that method. Hey, if you got any value at all from this video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Also, at the time of this video, I have about 3,400 subscribers. When I reach 5,000, it's time to celebrate with a $50 gift card giveaway. 2 things to qualify: hit the like button, leave a comment, that's it. I'm doing a random number generator to pick the video, doing the same thing to pick the comment, and you have great odds of winning, so why not give it a try? Also, I have several projects lined up that involve repurposed pallet wood. So please see the card above for all of those projects, and as always, have a great day.